Hello children, I am your geography teacher. Today I am going to start the first chapter, representation of geographical features. Children, this is a new subject for you all. So first I would like to tell you what is geography. Geography is the science which deals with the description of the earth's surface. Geography as a subject has gained importance for its contribution in social planning, environmental issues, and numerous other geographical tasks. Therefore, it becomes necessary to learn how humans shape and use the landscape. In this chapter, we are going to learn about maps and its elements, advantages of maps, importance of maps, difference between map, sketch, plan, and globe. Children, I hope you all must have seen a map. For example, this is a map of our country, India. Now we will learn in detail about maps. First, we will start with what is a map. A map is a two-dimensional graphical representation of the Earth's surface. It shows the landforms and other features of the land and water. Maps present information about the world in a simple and visual way. Elements of map. A map is incomplete without certain elements. The important elements of a map are title, legend, scale, grid, and north line. Title. The most important element of a map is the title. It identifies what it would represent. The title of the map conventionally appears at the top of the map. Legend. The legend lists the symbols used on a map and what they depict. They could be small shapes, colors, lines, or pictorial symbols. Scale. Maps are made to scale. A scale explains the ratio of distances on a map to distances on the ground. For example, 1 centimeter on a map might be equal to 100 kilometer on the ground. North line. The north line in a map indicates the north direction and thereby makes it convenient to locate the other directions. Grid. The horizontal and vertical lines on a map form a grid where they meet. These grids help in pinpointing an exact location anywhere on the map by giving a unique number known as the grid reference. Now children, we will see that what are the advantages of a map. So it has some advantages which are necessary for us to know. Maps are two-dimensional pieces of paper that can be folded and opened easily. This makes them easy to carry around. Maps enable us to study the layout of cities and towns closely. Maps exist for the entire world for various countries, states, cities, and even down to street blocks. Maps can provide more information and topographical information in much more detail than a globe. Maps are easier to prepare and can be modified as physical or political situations change. Maps are useful for sailors, pilots, engineers, and environmentalists. Maps are used by the governments for administrative planning and defense purposes. Now, what is the importance of map? Maps represent the real world on a much smaller scale. They help us to travel from one location to another. They also help us to organize information by providing a guide to know where we are and how to get to where we want to go. Geographical facts and factors can be explained properly through maps as it gives information on climate, produce, agricultural products, populations, etc. Maps help us to arrive at a correct, concrete solution. That's all for today, children. Thank you.